Are you preparing for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam and looking for a clear, structured path to success? This course on Nodax provides comprehensive coverage of all exam domains, helping you understand the AWS services, architectural concepts, and best practices aligned with the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Exam Guide, so you can prepare for the certification with confidence. The course also includes valuable exam tips and insights to help you recognize common exam patterns and confidently choose the correct solutions. To strengthen your preparation, the course features 3 full-length practice tests with answer explanations, designed to simulate the real AWS certification exam experience. Start your AWS Solutions Architect journey today with Nodax, and take the next step toward becoming an AWS Certified Solutions Architect.